Hi everyone, welcome to weekly online lectures. I'm your online tutor AG. In this channel, you can watch all accounting and management accounting lectures. I have uploaded various problems relating to accounting and management accounting. So if you like the videos and if you consider that these lectures are going to be useful to you, so what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel to receive weekly updates on lectures. And not only that, if you have any difficult questions, please comment below. I will answer to all your questions. Today I am going to continue my discussion on step fixed cost. Now in this question, you are given three activity levels and corresponding total cost. In a question like this, we should identify how to split variable cost and fixed cost. In addition to that, there is a statement given: variable cost per unit is constant within this activity range, and there is a step up of 10% in total fixed cost when the activity level exceeds 11,000 units. So up to 11,000 units, the fixed cost is constant. Thereafter, once it exceeds 11,000 units, so fixed cost will increase by 10%. Now you are required to calculate the total cost at 10,000 activity level, at 10,000 units. So you are given four answers. So let's see what will be the correct answer. Now what we have to do is, first and foremost, we need to calculate the variable cost, then identify the fixed cost. Afterwards we can calculate the total cost at 10,000 units. Now in this question, since there is a step up fixed cost is given exceeding 11,000 units, it's better to take the highest quantity of 15,000 and the lowest quantity of 12,000 to identify the variable cost, because under high-low method you should take the highest quantity and the corresponding the total cost, then you need to subtract the lowest quantity with the corresponding total cost. So let's calculate this. First and foremost, we have to calculate variable cost per unit. So I will take the cost at 15,000 units, which will be $274,000. Then I will subtract cost at 12,000, which is 250,000. So when you take the difference of quantity and the difference of total cost, which is 24,000 total cost difference and units 3,000. So when you divide the total cost by 3,000 units, you will get a variable cost of 8 per unit. Now let's calculate fixed cost by substituting this variable cost per unit 8. Now in this case I will take the activity level 8,000, the total cost is 204, and what will be the variable cost at 8,000 units? 8,000 times 8, which is 64,000. So your fixed cost will be 140,000. So please remember, this fixed cost is till 11,000 units. Once you exceed, there will be a step fixed cost. So since the cost is 8,000, there is no step fixed cost. Now let's calculate the total cost at 10,000 units. So 10,000 units, it's within this range, below 11,000 units, therefore there is no step fixed cost. So what is the variable cost? 10,000 times 8 per unit, so 80,000. Simply you add the fixed cost that we calculated above to 140,000, so thereby the answer will be 220,000. So now how do you cross check this answer? To cross check, let's calculate the total cost at 15,000 units. You should arrive at 274 by taking into account the variable cost,
fixed cost and step fixed cost. So let's cross check. What is the total cost at 15,000 units? First, we'll calculate the variable cost, which is 15,000 times 820,000. Then simply add fixed cost up to 10,000 units, which is 140,000. Then above 11,000, which will increase, the fixed cost will increase by 10%, which is 140 times 10% will be 14,000. So because we need to increase that step fixed cost, thereby you will be getting 274,000, which is exactly equal to the total cost given in this question. So this is how you cross check the answer. If you have any difficult question, please subscribe to my channel and make a comment below. I will discuss all the questions in my future videos. Thanks for watching.